In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subtask in Wrike, and we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're an experienced user or brand new to the platform, following these steps will help you seamlessly integrate subtasks into your workflow, enhancing your productivity and efficiency. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever you normally use. In the search bar, simply type Wrike and hit enter. What we're aiming for here is to either log into your existing Wrike account or start a free trial if you're just exploring the platform for the first time. Look for the options that say Log in or Try Wrike for free and click on whichever applies to your situation. Once you're logged in, you'll be navigating to your workspace. Think of this space as the central hub where all your project management magic happens. All your projects, tasks, and soon, subtasks will reside here. It's your control center for organizing, evaluating, and accomplishing your goals. Now, let's locate the parent task that you wish to break down into subtasks. A parent task is often a larger task that contains smaller, more manageable components. Break these down to create detailed steps and simplify the execution. Use the search bar or scroll through your task list until you find the one you're going to focus on today. When you've found the parent task, go ahead and click on it. This action opens up the Details pane, offering a closer look at everything related to this task. With the details in front of you, find the button labeled Add Subitem and give it a click. This is the smiling gateway to creating your subtasks. In the text field that appears, it's time for a creative moment. Enter a succinct and descriptive title for your new subtask. The name should clearly convey what this subtask involves, making it easy for you and any team members to understand its purpose at a glance. Remember, clarity is key in task naming. Finally, there's just one thing left to do. Press the Enter key. This simple action saves and creates your subtask, nesting it right under its parent task in your list. It's as easy as that. Thanks to these steps, you've now successfully created a subtask in Wrike, helping keep your projects organized and actionable. With practice, integrating subtasks into your project management process will become second nature, making each project clearer and more manageable. You can use this feature to systematically track progress and delegate responsibilities with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy tasking. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more Wrike tips and tricks.